Bathing is a part of our routine that we normally do on autopilot, and more times than not, what you learned as a child doesn't apply anymore. According to dermatologists, people make several mistakes while showering. Do you think you do? Today we're going to talk about some common mistakes made during bath time. Washing your face in the shower. The water you use for bathing is often warmer than the water you use to wash your face in the sink. These high temperatures can dry out your skin. So people with skin problems such as acne or rosacea should avoid washing their face in the shower so they don't irritate it. Scrubbing your scalp with your fingernails. Lots of people use their fingernails on their scalp when they feel like their hair is very dirty. But this doesn't help you get your hair any cleaner. You'll probably only scrape and scratch your scalp. Therefore, it's always best to wash the roots of your hair with your fingertips. Not replacing your shower sponge. You can hang your sponge out after you use it, but if it doesn't dry out completely, then the bacteria will begin to spread. Make sure to thoroughly wash your sponge and twist it to remove any excess water. Store it in a dry place where there's less chance of bacterial growth. Not using conditioner all over your hair. Many people believe that using conditioner on your roots will make them oily, but this isn't true. Our roots need the most hydration and attention. So, in order to have nourished hair, start by using conditioner on your roots, and this will also help prevent itching and dandruff. Not moisturizing. Soaps that contain moisturizer or stearic acid are the best. This helps your body stay nourished, healthy, and smooth. Non-moisturizing soaps are great options for people with oily skin because they dry it out. Scrubbing too hard. Sponges are rough and, if used with too much force, can ruin the natural protection of your skin. According to experts, our hands are enough to clean the body, but if you want to use something to remove the dirt, use a cotton cloth so as not to irritate your skin. Drying yourself too aggressively. Rubbing the towel aggressively on your skin is very bad for it. It can harm your sensitive skin. Therefore, it is best to use a soft towel and gently rub it on your body. Wait before moisturizing. After a good shower, it is important to moisturize to take better care of your skin. According to dermatologists, moisturizing the skin while it's still wet helps to make it healthier. Now tell us, which of these mistakes do you usually make? Want to have good skin and hair? Try our tips. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.